and I welcome to my channel The Architect Kitchen. Today we will see the recipe of butter cookies, and this is my first video, so we wanted to start with some meetha. So कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So let's begin. Ingredient we need: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, choco chips for decor, 2 to 3 tablespoons milk, 1/4 cup butter, half tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Take a bowl and add a butter. Butter should be soft, not hard or liquidy. I am using unsalted one, but you can also use salted one. Then after that add a powdered sugar to it, and we need to whisk till it's whipped. It takes 5 minutes approx. We need a very smooth texture of mixture, so we need continuously whisking the batter like this. After few minutes we can see a smooth slippery texture of this mixture. We need this type of this texture for the cookies. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or extract, which is easily available online nowadays, and mix it well. And the next step, add the all-purpose flour and mix it gently. After that add baking powder or baking soda or the khane wala soda and mix it gently like shown in the picture. After that, use your hand to knead a soft smooth dough for the cookies. Mix it gently. We need smooth dough, not like chapati one. Our main purpose to mix all and form one ball from mixture with using a milk. After that, gradually add some milk and knead a smooth silky dough for cookies. For this you required 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk for knead a smooth silky dough. See, our smooth dough ready for bake. This type of dough we looking for. I am going to make it without oven. If you want for oven, go for it. Instruction is on the screen given below and description box as well. Take a kadai, add salt to it and preheat for 10 minutes and your oven is ready. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cookies. Take a plate and grease to it with butter. Take a small portion of the dough and gently round in between the two palms and shape it like cutlet or biscuit. We need to flat biscuits like shape cookies and decorate with some choco chips. And similarly, we need to repeat this process till the all cookies. You can give any type of shape to the cookies: triangular, rectangular, square, but I to love circular one, so I made it circular one. See, keep in mind we should maintain a distance from each other, because when this cookie is baked it will rise up and need place for rise. So we keep maintain distance in plate for rise the cookies. Our oven also preheated for 10 minutes. Now it's time to place the cookies plate inside the oven and baked. Place a plate in the oven and cover it to another big size plate. Make sure any steam not leak from the oven. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the rice cookies. Look at the cookies. So tempting and mouth-watering and delicious and crispy. You should definitely try this recipe. And you guys absolutely love this. So what are you waiting for? Go and make it and enjoy it. Bye bye.